completely unlike
audio
anything in the
podcast
world
by
that's
Mohammed
designed
Raj
for a
Abdullah.
specific, severe purpose.
That is an incredibly powerful image. So is it the same experience for everyone who might enter, or do the sources talk about different levels of suffering?
That's a really important point. And yes, the traditions definitely indicate layers of punishment. It's not a one-size-fits-all experience. For example, the Quran specifically mentions that the hypocrites will be in the lowest depths of the fire.
The lowest depths.
Right, which clearly implies varying degrees of suffering. The worst is reserved for those whose inner state, their deception, was the deepest. It really points to a very precise, almost tailored divine justice.
So it's meticulously matched to a person's actions and intentions, not just a blanket punishment.
Okay. Beyond the fire and its layers, what about the conditions? Is there food, drink?
Yes, and these descriptions are particularly horrific. They seem aimed at conveying just utter torment and hopelessness. We read about the zakum tree. It's described as this bitter curse to food that boils inside the belly like molten metal.
Oh, wow.
And the drink offers no relief either. There's mention of boiling water that tears the insides, and also scalding pus as the only drink available. The point seems to be that these things intensify suffering. They don't nourish or provide any kind of comfort at all.
That paints a really grim picture of physical torment.
Yeah.
Are there other beings mentioned, like guards or overseers?
There are. The texts introduce the guards of hell, and they're not passive. One verse mentions 19 angels overseeing it, and they're described as severe and, crucially, never disobeying Allah's commands. They just carry out what they're ordered to do.
They're part of the system, ensuring the exact execution of divine justice, without any emotion or leniency. Taken together, these descriptions really drive home the lack of comfort, the intensity, and the, well, inescapable structure of this realm.
These are definitely powerful, almost gut-wrenching images, clearly meant to warn, to awaken people. But descriptions like these immediately make you ask, who exactly ends up in such a place? And
Enter hell. Those who are destined for eternal punishment, and those who undergo a temporary purification before eventually being released.
okay, let's break that down. Starting with the eternal inhabitants, who are they according to the texts?
For those facing an eternal stay, the texts are quite specific. Primarily, it refers to disbelievers, the kuffar. These are people who knowingly, consciously reject the truth after it's become clear to them. The Quran is explicit. Indeed, those who disbelieved and died while they were disbelievers, upon them is the curse of Allah, the angels, and mankind altogether.